Welcome to this tutorial on using InsertLearning for interactive web annotations. In this presentation, I'll guide you through the steps of using Instant Learning to enhance your students' learning experiences by adding interactive elements to any web page. You'll learn how to annotate text, add questions, create sticky notes, facilitate discussions, and even integrate with tools like Google Classroom and Microsoft Teams. To get started with Instant Learning, the first step is to install the Instant Learning extension for Google Chrome. Go to the Google Chrome Web Store, search for Instant Learning, and click Add to Chrome to install the extension. Once installed, you'll see the Instant Learning icon in your Chrome toolbar and be ready to use on any web page you want to annotate. With Insert Learning, you can create several types of annotations to engage your students. These include highlighting text. You can highlight important parts of the web page to guide students' attention. Adding questions. After highlighting text, you can ask questions that students must answer as they engage with the content. Sticky notes. These allow you to add extra notes or comments anywhere on the page. And discussions. You can facilitate threaded discussions on specific sections of the page, allowing students to share and respond to each other's ideas. Let's dive into each of these in more detail. To get started with highlighting text, simply select the portion of the web page you want the students to focus on. Once selected, you can choose to add a highlight. This can help emphasize key points or terms for the lesson. Now let's talk about adding questions. After highlighting a section of the text, click the Add Question button. Insert Learning provides a range of question stems to choose from, such as, what do you think about? How does this relate to? What is the main idea of this section? However, you don't have to use the provided stems. You can create your own custom questions that are tailored to your specific lesson. After entering your question, simply click Create and add it to the page. This flexibility allows you to align your questions with your curriculum and your students' needs. Once your question is added, students will be required to answer it as part of their learning. With sticky notes, you can add additional information or comments to a specific part of the web page. Sticky notes are ideal for providing extra details or context about the content, adding clarifications or examples. One of the best features of sticky notes is that you can embed media. You can create your own instructional video and upload it directly in the interface, or you can embed a YouTube video that explains a concept in more depth. Additionally, you can insert images to make your notes more interactive. This feature makes sticky notes a versatile tool for enhancing the learning experience. Now let's explore the discussion feature. After highlighting a part of the page, click on Add Discussion button. This allows you to create a space where students can respond to each other's ideas and engage in deeper reflection on the content. It's a great tool for promoting collaborative learning. You can customize the discussion prompt to encourage specific kinds of responses and interaction between students. One of the great advantages of Insert Learning is its integration with Google Classroom and Microsoft Teams. After creating your lessons, you can seamlessly integrate your Insert Learning annotations with your class platforms. Fill out the questionnaire in the Instant Learning dashboard to link your account with Google Classroom or Microsoft Teams. Once linked, you can assign your lessons directly to students, making it easier to track engagement and responses. To assign your annotated web page to your class, go to the Insert Learning dashboard and click on Assignments. Then click on Import Classes to link your Google Classroom or Microsoft Teams class. Afterward, choose the lesson you want to assign, click Assign, and it will be posted directly to your chosen platform. However, after posting, you'll need to move the assignment to the appropriate topic within each class in Google Classroom, which helps organize your content for easier access by students. Finally, why should you consider using Insert Learning in your classrooms? This tool enhances student engagement by making online reading interactive. You can annotate text, ask questions, create discussions, and even integrate multimedia to make the lesson more engaging. With its ability to integrate with Google Classroom and Microsoft Teams, it simplifies the process of assigning and tracking assignments. Insert Learning empowers teachers to turn any web page into a dynamic learning experience that helps students develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills.